Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Amitabh, a final year student and AWS community builder in a containers category. In this video, we are going to see how we can securely manage our application secret using the AWS Secret Manager. Like you will see how you can use the AWS Secret Manager to store your environment variable and the secret. Not we are not using the env file and exporting the environment variable. So by the end of this video, you will also see how you can use AWS Secret Manager in your application or the shell script. So without any delay, let's get started. So what is AWS Secret Manager? Basically, it helps you to protect access to your application, services, and IT resources, and you can easily rotate or update, manage and retrieve database credential, API keys, and other secrets throughout their lifecycle. You can imagine as just a store. You will put your all the secret here, and you can update, delete, and create the secret in the store. And the benefit of using this AWS Secret Manager, you can easily rotate your secret and just you have to update secret and it will entirely update in your application and manage the access with a fine grained permission. You can attach KMS, which is a key management service, to provide more security in your secret and secure and audit a secret centrally. It's like you will get all the secret listed and you can see what are the secret are correct and wrong, and this is not free as you pay for the service. So let's start with the hands-on. So for that we have to launch the EC2. So let's launch the EC2 instance. I will use the North Virginia region and I will launch the instance. So I will name as AWS Secret Manager and we'll use the Ubuntu and we will use the T2 large. You can use according to you, and we will select any key that is existing. So I will just enable it. It is not needed, but I am enabling it. So let's use the storage is this, and we have to provide the user data to install the AWS CLI and updating the system. So let's launch the EC2 instance. So it will update the EC2 instance and install the AWS CLI. And next we have to connect the EC2 instance. So it is in a pending state. So let's wait for to be active and we will copy the EC2 instance IP and open the terminal and we will go to the location where the key is stored. So we will SSH into that with key pair and the user and the IP. So I think the EC2 instance is in pending state. That's why it is taking time. So it is running now. So I will do SSH again. Now it will accept it. So you can see we have connected to our EC2 instance. Next, we have to create an IAM role for EC2 so it can get access to secret manager as we are not using AWS secret access key ID and the access key, so that we can securely manage entirely our application. No need to create secret, going to users and configuring the AWS. So this is a best approach. You should always use the IAM role for the temporary access. So for that, we will go to IAM roles and create one role. And this will for the EC2 and we will go to the next and we will search the permission as secret manager read write. It will provide us access to create and delete update secret manager secret. So select it and click on next and provide the name as any name you wanted to provide, and in that provide the role name. Click on create role. So role has been created and now you have to go to the EC2 instance. In action you have to modify the IAM role and attach this IAM role into that EC2 instance so that EC2 instance can communicate with the AWS Secret Manager. So this is our EC2 instance And now if we can check whether the AWS is installed or not, so you can see AWS, okay, sorry, this is not a command. AWS -FN version. So you can see AWS CLI is installed. And if you want to verify whether the IAM role is working or not, you can copy this AWS STS get caller identity, and it will provide the user identity. So you can see it will provide the user ID, account ID, and the ARN of the secret manager role, which is IAM role, which is assumed by the EC2 instance. So next step is to create a secret in AWS Secret Manager. So for that, I will copy this command, and this command is using the AWS, which means we are using the AWS CLI and Secret Manager, and we are creating a secret with a name, which is the ID of that secret, which is a DB secret one, and the secret string is the username admin, and the password is this, and we are in a region of North Virginia, so it is a US East one. So I will paste this command. Okay. Now it will create the DB secret. And if we go to the secret manager and check the secret has been created, so you can see the DB secret is created in this region. If you are using another region, go to that region, as it is not a global service. So you can see we have created a DB secret, and you can retrieve a secret value. As you can see, we have a username admin and the password is admin123, as we have provided the secret string in that command. So you can see, and next step is to, if you want to fetch a secret using a CLI, like you have created a secret, so you can use this command AWS Secret Manager get secret value, and the ID is DB secret one. As you can see, this is the ID of that secret, and we are querying the query string and output in a text format, and the region is same. So copy that command and open the terminal and paste it. So you can see we will get the username admin and the password. So you can see how we can create a secret and fetch the secret in our CLI. And the next step is to use our AWS secret in shell script and the Node.js application. So let's see how you can use the secret manager secret in your shell script. So I will create one sh file using the vim, and I will copy this command and paste it. So I will insert this shell script into my app.sh, where we are fetching a secret in a variable secret, and we will printing that secret. And you can use a secret in your shell script, like if you want to perform any action to AWS. So I will copy this. It's just a fetching and a printing a secret in your shell script, so that you can let get to know how you can use it in your shell script also. So I will update the shell file as a execute, so it will in a execute mode, and I will just run the sh file. Now you can see how we can fetch the secret using the shell script also. And the next, how you can use your AWS Secret Manager secrets in a Node.js application using the AWS Software Development Kit. So let's start with that. So for that, we need to install the Node.js and the npm, as it is a Node.js application. So copy this command and install it. So let's understand what is app.js until it is installing. So we are require the AWS SDK, and we are using the region is this, and we are creating a sync function as a get secret. So in that we are retrieving a secret ID, which is a DB secret one, which is we have created here. Next we are parsing that secrets into normal text and printing it, and we are calling that get secret function. So let's see whether it is installed or not. So you can see it is installed, and now we will init the npm, and it will create us for the package.json. So you can see there is a package.json, and now we will install the AWS SDK using npm, and it will install the AWS SDK for us. And here is a code, and we will use the Vim to create a JS file, and we will just paste this code, and this is a code that will retrieve our secret, and you can use it in your real application. This is just a code that will provide you an idea how you can use and retrieve a secret from the AWS Secret Manager into your application. You don't need to manage your env file and exporting your secret in your environment. So this is a secure way, as it is not a free, but it is a very secure. You should use in your production environment. So I will save this file, and now we will run this application using node app.js. So you will see how it retrieve our application secret as a username admin, and the password is admin123, as you can see in our secret manager. So this is how you can use in your shell script and the Node.js application. And if you want to see how you can rotate a secret and it will update entirely, so you have a command like AWS Secret Manager, which is a service, and we are using a command update secret, and secret ID is db secret1, and this secret string we are updating it, so we can just update the password, which is a secure 123 from the admin 123, and the region is same. So I will copy this and we will just paste it, and you will see how it updates. So if I again run the node app.js, and you will see how it is updated the password. And if you go to the secret manager and refresh this page, you will see, if I retrieve the secret value, you can see the password is updated entirely. No need to manually update it. So this is a stuff that I want to share with you all. And if you want to see how you can delete a secret, you just have to go to the secret manager and db secret in action. You have to just delete, and it is have a deletion scheduled deletion period. So just schedule it, and in within a 7 days this secret will going to be deleted, and terminate that EC2 instance you have launched. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new. I will provide the blog link into the description of this video. So मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, bye.